Some brands follow trends, others create what's next. For over 40 years, Dekalb has partnered with brands that value quality, consistency, and long-term relationships. Fashion is more than what people wear. It's how brands tell their story. Every great brand begins long before the first collection. It begins with an idea, a vision, a commitment to create something people will choose, wear, and remember. At Dekalb, we transform that vision into premium leather and textile collections through craftsmanship, precision, and manufacturing expertise. From product development and pattern making to material sourcing, cutting, stitching, finishing, and quality control, every stage of manufacturing is carefully managed under one roof. At Dekalb, quality isn't just a standard, it's the foundation of everything we do. Every collection reflects our passion for premium leather fashion, timeless design, and lasting value. With skilled artisans, modern production technologies, and scalable manufacturing capabilities, we produce collections that meet international quality standards. Whether producing limited collections for emerging brands or large-scale manufacturing for established retailers, our commitment remains the same: exceptional quality, reliable delivery, and lasting partnerships. Because at Dekalb, we believe manufacturing is not simply about making products, it's about creating opportunities for brands to grow. Your vision, our craftsmanship.